Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you guys stay with this video because we prepared the best video for you. Don't forget to support this channel so that we are always enthusiastic about making educational videos for you. The topic of this video is about the uniqueness of Indonesia. 1. Ethnic diversity. Indonesia has more than 300 ethnic groups, making it one of the most ethnically diverse countries in the world. What do you think about this dance? 2. Batik. Batik is a famous traditional Indonesian art. The manufacturing process involves dyeing fabric with hot wax to create intricate and beautiful patterns. 3. Death rituals. Several tribes in Indonesia have unique death rituals, like the Toraja people, who hold funeral ceremonies that last for days with rich celebrations and traditions. This traditional opinion is very unique and does not exist in other countries except Indonesia. Please write in the comments column your opinion. 4. Traditional dance. Every region in Indonesia has its own traditional dance, like the Pendet Dance from Bali, Saman Dance from Aceh, and the Tor-Tor Dance from North Sumatra. The dancers are graceful and beautiful. Women from Indonesia are very beautiful and charming. Culture of eating together. In Indonesia, eating with family and friends is a very important tradition. Food is served in large portions and eaten together. This tradition is very good. It only exists in Indonesia. The togetherness is so close. We seem to love each other. You are extraordinary, my brothers and sisters in Indonesia. 6. Traditional house. Every region in Indonesia has its own traditional house, such as Rumah Gadang in West Sumatra and Rumah Panggung in Kalimantan. 7. Folk festivals. There are many festivals and folk parties in Indonesia.
Krakatau Festival, tunjukkan pesonamu.
Kingdom of Masculine,
such as the Krakatoa Festival in Lampung and the Bajo Festival in South Sulawesi. 8. Handicrafts. Traditional handicrafts such as wood carvings, woven bamboo, and pandan weaving is an integral part of Indonesian culture. 9. Religious culture. Indonesia is the country with the largest Muslim majority in the world, but also has a diversity of other religions such as Christianity, Hinduism, Buddhism, and traditional beliefs. 10. Friendly. Indonesians are known for their friendliness. Guests are considered a gift and are warmly welcomed in Indonesian culture. I hope you don't hesitate to travel to Indonesia. See you in the next video. We will take our leave. Bye bye.